Well, I started soldering this already, but I thought I'd show you this Parkside. I bought the Parkside USB rechargeable soldering iron. I've done a lot of soldering on this already and it seems okay. I think it was only a tenner or something like that. But you hold the button in, little light on the front. That red light turns to green when it's ready, but I've found you can actually have a go before it turns to green. But it's not bad. You know, I've soldered all this board already, and well, there you go, look, it's starting to take already. That's it. Yeah. Well, he worry about this. Well, not worry, but you know, he's getting hold of tips. Where would you get the tips from? I'm gonna have to have a look online and see if I can find some, because it's quite good. Saves me getting the big one out just when I want to solder some of these little boards like this. This solder's rubbish, but I need to use it up before I start on the good stuff. And there you go. I mean, not bad. See the model number there, look. Right. And then the stand that plugs into the plug socket. There's a little USB-C socket there, then you push it in and there you go, charges up. Job's a good one. We'll see if we can get tips for it. It'll be brilliant. If not, I mean, you know, I'm going to use it till it dies anyway, so it don't matter. Well, I don't know, for maybe for small projects it'll be okay, but for lots of joints, the downside is it hurts your finger because you've got to hold it hold it while you're waiting for it to do its warming up thing, and then you've got to hold it for every joint. It'd be better if you could press it and maybe flick this, but to keep it on, but it doesn't work. You have to keep your finger on the button. That's a bit shit. But it does the job. I mean, it's good at doing what it does. It's aimed at the DIY people, and I'm no professional, so it's aimed at me really. But we'll see how we got on with that. Got a couple of dodgy joints, so I know I'll get a battery and check it. Quite a few bad ones, look. 1, 2, 3. Wow, yeah, lots. Oh well, I'll put them right. And yeah, so not bad. It's a bit dirty on the finger though. For small jobs it's fine, but something like this, yeah, my finger's aching already. So. Well, there you go. After a little touching up with the soldering iron, I managed to get them all out, all on. But as for this, marks out of 10, I'd give it 7. I'd probably give it 9 if you could make that stay on. And I don't know yet where I'm going to get the tips from, because this is the whole thing that comes out. It's not just the tip, it's the whole kit and caboodle, so we shall see. There you go, I put the fake computer panel in a real computer. How about that?